Hey folks, it's Joe. Again, I'm in Denver today, running all over this week. It's been a really busy week. Another blue car. This one is Gentian Blue. This is a 2025 Macan GTS in Gentian Blue. Almost brand new car. You may recognize the environment here. I helped these folks sell their old Macan GTS last summer. That went to a friend. And now this was the replacement car, but this car is now going as well. It's beautiful. The front hood here is covered in PPF. The mirrors are covered in PPF. The front and rear door pockets are covered in PPF. And this is always smart to do on your utility vehicles. This area here is covered in PPF to protect as you're putting anything in the back of the car. We have WeatherTech mats. We have the factory mats. We have front and rear traffic cameras. We have wired for a built-in radar detector. You can see that there along with the traffic camera. Here's the only flaws that I can find on the car. Right there and right there. That's it. I can't really report anything else. It's a little piece of PPF there. Gentian Blue is so pretty. Wait till you see the interior of this car. Really nice spec. This car has the Premium Plus package. Black and pebble gray interior. Of course, heated and ventilated seats. Power steering column. Full leather. You can see here. I forgot what this is called, but it's the dark wood grain trim, which looks really handsome, particularly with the pebble gray and black interior. Of course, with the Premium Plus package, we have the panoramic sunroof. Here's the built-in holder for the radar detector, camera, Rennline wire for the phone charger, the inductive charger. That's already run right there. We'll leave that in the car. Look at the mileage. 4,140 miles. This car is almost like new. I believe the original delivery was, of course, tinted windows. There's a slight tint. I believe it's a ceramic. I'll find out. But there's a tint on the windshield as well, which is nice as long as it's not overdone. So this car is effectively new. $115,000 MSRP in 2025. With the price increases for 2026, I believe that'd be about $120,000 for a new 2026. With 4,100 miles on this car, you're going to have a substantial discount, because you're giving up a bit of that warranty to buy a slightly used but beautifully spec'd car. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see that window sticker, if you'd like to see the Carfax, which is going to show absolutely nothing, or if you're in Denver and you'd like to come see the car, just give me a call. This is Joe. 720-382-6167 is my number. And as always, thank you for watching.